are from Excel Public School.
I am Danya.
I am Tanisha.
And I am Nishkita. We have worked on a project called Water Comics where we have blended art and science to make learning science fun.
In today's world, scientific information is often locked behind complex language filled with technical jargon and difficult concepts. This makes it hard for the general public, especially those without a scientific background, to engage with and understand important scientific ideas.
To solve this, we created Water Comics, a series of comics that explain key scientific concepts through engaging stories and illustrations. By using the properties of water as an example, we simplify complex ideas and make them easy to understand. Through our comics, we explore 5 key properties of water: hydrogen bonding, its bent molecular structure, the triplet point, exothermic reactions, and its role as a universal solvent. We've used storytelling to explain each of these properties. For example, in one comic, Finding the Connection, we introduce hydrogen bonding to the journey of a water molecule, learning how it bonds with other molecules and from droplets. In Ask You Ballerina, we express the bent structure of water as the main character, a water molecule, learns to embrace its unique shape through a ballet performance. In Aquapilator, we dive into the triple point of water, showing how the water can exist simultaneously as a solid, liquid, and gas. Anarchy at Bay explains the exothermic reaction of water with sodium, where water molecules rebel against a trirand sodium molecule, demonstrating the explosive energy released in the reaction.
And in Houdini, we explore water's role as a universal solvent and how it reacts with phosphorus pentoxide. Nishrita and I were responsible for writing the stories, making sure the scientific concepts were clear and accurate. Danya focused on sketching the scenes, creating characters, and designing the setting. Finally, we showcased the comics in creative formats to make them visually appealing.
We believe that Water Comics is just the beginning of new way to communicate science through stories, creativity, and imagination. Thank you.